bright, fresh, and actually filling, this beet and arugula salad is your new favorite healthy remix. Welcome back to Healthy Remix, where we take ordinary meals and glow them up. Clean, nourishing, and so delicious.
Today, we're remixing salad, but not the fat kind.
Packed with flavor, protein, and color. Made with tofu, roasted beets, arugula, and quinoa.
First, let's cook the beets. You'll need about 3 to 4 medium beets. Give them a good rinse to remove any dirt or grit.
For the first option, wrap in foil and roast at 400 Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes until fork tender.
For the second option, add whole beets to the Instant Pot with 1 cup of water.
Once they've cooled a bit, peel the skin. It should rub right off. Then dice them into cubes like this.
Next, add 1/2 cup rinsed quinoa to a small pot with 1 cup of water. Bring to a boil, reduce heat, cover, and simmer for 15 minutes. Once all the water is absorbed, fluff it up with a fork and let it cool.
For the plant-based protein, we're adding tofu. Cut 1/2 a block of extra firm tofu into small cubes. Pat dry, then saute with olive oil, a pinch of salt, and garlic powder until golden on each side.
Now for the fun part. In a large bowl, add a few handfuls of fresh arugula. Top with your roasted beets, fluffy quinoa, crispy tofu, a sprinkle of dried cranberries, and pine nuts for a nutty crunch.
Now that all those ingredients are layered up and ready, we're finishing it off with what might be the best part.
A clean, zesty balsamic vinaigrette that brings the whole salad to life.
No preservatives, no weird oils, just 5 real ingredients you probably already have. In a small bowl or jar, whisk together 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 clove of garlic, finely minced, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Shake or whisk until creamy. No preservatives, no added sugar, just flavor.
This is what we mean when we say feel-good recipes.
The sweetness of the beets, the tangy vinaigrette dressing, and the crunchy pine nuts. This is a remix that satisfies.
Better ingredients, better energy, and better salad.
And now we are just getting started.
If you love this video, make sure to subscribe for our weekly new mixes.
And comment below your favorite salad add-in. It might just end up in our next video.